China has strongly condemned the terrorist attack Tuesday afternoon inside a university in Pakistan's southern port city of Karachi, according to the statement of the Chinese embassy in Pakistan. The statement said that an explosion ripped through a shuttle passenger van of the Confucius Institute of the University of Karachi, leaving 3 Chinese teachers killed and 1 Chinese teacher injured so far. It said the Embassy and Consulate General of China in Pakistan expressed deep condolences to the victims from both countries and sincere sympathies to the injured and the bereaved families, and will make every effort to handle the incident with the Pakistani side. The statement said that Chinese Embassy and Consulate General in Pakistan has launched an emergency plan immediately, requesting the Pakistani side to make every effort to treat the wounded, thoroughly investigate the attack, and severely punish the perpetrators. Moreover, the statement added that Chinese Embassy and the Consulate General in Pakistan require relevant departments at all levels in Pakistan to take practical and effective measures to ensure the safety of Chinese citizens, institutions, and projects in Pakistan, and to ensure that similar incidents do not happen again. After the terrorist attack, Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif visited the Chinese embassy in Islamabad Tuesday afternoon to express his deep condolences to the families of the victims and the government and people of China. Strongly condemning the attack, Shehbaz Sharif said that he is deeply grieved by the loss of precious lives of the Chinese friends in the heinous terrorist attack in Karachi. The Prime Minister said he has instructed that the attack be thoroughly investigated and the perpetrators brought to justice, and that the Pakistani side will provide all possible assistance to the injured.
I want to assure you, on my behalf and on behalf of the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, that we will hunt down these perpetrators, culprits, killers. Our two countries, our friendship is proverbial, it is unmatched, it is stronger than ever before, it is extremely, extremely warm, and we will not allow any kind of disturbance in this friendship.